Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make water using hydrogen and oxygen. Water, a vital compound, is created when two hydrogen atoms bond with one oxygen atom. This fundamental chemical reaction is a synthesis process, meaning two or more simple substances combine to form a more complex one. It's an exothermic reaction, releasing energy, and requires precise control and strict safety protocols to manage effectively. Let's dive into the chemistry. The core reaction involves two molecules of hydrogen gas reacting with one molecule of oxygen gas. This combination precisely yields two molecules of water. The balanced chemical equation for this process is 2H2 plus O2 yields 2H2O. It's crucial to remember that this synthesis is highly exothermic, meaning it releases a substantial amount of heat energy, making it a powerful reaction. To practically achieve this, you'll need specific methods and equipment. Hydrogen and oxygen gases are often generated separately, for instance, through the electrolysis of water. A sealed reaction chamber is absolutely essential to contain the gases and manage the reaction safely. Specialized equipment ensures precise mixing of the gases and controlled ignition. Sometimes, a catalyst, such as platinum, can be introduced to significantly accelerate the reaction rate, making the process more efficient. Safety is paramount when working with these elements. Both hydrogen and oxygen are extremely flammable gases, and their mixture can be explosive. Always ensure you are working in a very well-ventilated area to prevent any dangerous gas accumulation. It is vital to wear appropriate personal protective equipment, especially eye protection. Most importantly, always consult with experienced professionals and adhere to all safety guidelines before attempting any experiment involving these reactive gases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.